Thornton Hundred Motorcycles is no stranger to crafting exceptional custom bikes, and their take on the 1997 Honda SLR650 proves this once again. Under the leadership of Jody Millhouse, the Milton Keynes-based shop has earned a reputation for bold craftsmanship since their founding in 2016. While the team has built countless stunning bikes since, this early project stands out with its lean Scrambler look and impressive mechanical enhancements. At first glance, the bike's proportions draw attention. The custom fuel tank, sourced from a Honda CG125, immediately sets the tone for the build. Its elongated design gives the SLR650 a refined, timeless profile. Thornton Hundred reworked the tank to fit perfectly, blending classic character with modern design cues. Towards the rear, the transformation becomes even more evident. The factory subframe was replaced with a custom-built, shorter unit designed from scratch. The enclosure cleverly hides the battery and electronics, keeping the bike's overall look clean and minimal. A sharp rear fender, custom saddle, and tidy plate holder complete the stripped-back aesthetic. Suspension upgrades include swapping out the original rear shock for a modern adjustable unit from Hagon. This improvement not only enhances the bike's versatility, but also boosts its off-road capabilities. The front end features a high-mounted aluminum fender and premium LED headlight, while the wide Apico handlebars and stealthy bar-end mirrors deliver a rugged yet refined cockpit. One of the most striking changes is the wheel setup. While the original hubs were retained, they were laced to new 17-inch rims with stainless steel spokes. Paired with Continental TKC 80 dual sport tires, the SLR650 is now ready to tackle both city streets and dirt trails with confidence. Under the seat, the single-cylinder engine has been treated to performance-oriented touches, including a CNC-machined clutch cover and improved intake system fitted with a ram air foam filter. But the real highlight is the handcrafted stainless steel exhaust. The 2-into-1 design flows elegantly along the bike's lines, giving it a distinctive look and sound. Finished in silver with blacked-out accents, the overall paint scheme complements the bike's slim, aggressive stance. Thornton Hundred has once again shown how a classic platform can be transformed into a unique, modern machine without losing its vintage soul.